Good evening, student. So the next topic of this chapter is the collection of scanty data. Already we have discussed about the methods of collecting the data. So next is collection of scanty data. Scanty data is which is already in use. Already second hand data, you can say that. Okay, already किसी ने use किया, आप उसे pick कर रहे हैं and you are using it. Okay, so what are the sources of scanty data? There are two sources of scanty data: published source and unpublished source. Published by the name it is clear, that is which has been published, जो publish हो चुका है. Okay, unpublished which has not been published by the government. Okay, let us see one by one what are the published and unpublished sources. Published sources, that is government publication which is published by the central as well as state government. Okay, जो भी आपका central और state government publish करती है वो government publication है. ठीक है. Second thing is it's more reliable. Okay, suppose because central government and state government is publish this data, that's why it is more trustworthy. You can trust this data, so it's a more reliable. Okay, for example, RBI bulletin, a report on banking and currency, and so many examples are there. You can pick it up, that which are called government publication and published sources, which are published by the government. नेक्स्ट इज द सेमी गवर्नमेंट पब्लिकेशन. ओके, सेमी गवर्नमेंट, आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. गवर्नमेंट जिसमें जो है पूरी हिस्सा जो है वो गवर्नमेंट का होता है. सेमी गवर्नमेंट जिसमें जो है कुछ पार्ट जो है दैट इज गवर्नमेंट का होता है. जैसे म्यूनसिपैलिटीज़ हैं. ओके, म्यूनसिपैलिटी पब्लिश डाटा ऑन हेल्थ, डेथ एंड एजुकेशन. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड सेमी गवर्नमेंट पब्लिकेशन. अब सपोज somebody is doing a survey on health, so what the person can do, the person can go to the municipality and can that is published by the government in the newspaper or somewhere else, so the person can pick it up that data and can use it. रिपोर्ट ऑफ कमेटी एंड कमीशन, जैसे प्लानिंग कमीशन है, स्टैटिस्टिक्स है, फिनेंस कमीशन है. देयर आर सो मेनी कमीशंस एंड कमिटीज जो अपनी रिपोर्ट्स जो है वो पब्लिश करती है एंड पीपल कैन पिक अप द डाटा फ्रॉम देयर एंड कैन यूज इट. पब्लिकेशन ऑफ रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूशन. ओके, रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूशन आपने देखा होगा, बहुत सारे रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूशन के नाम आते हैं. जैसे इंडियन स्टैटिस्टिकल इंस्टीट्यूट है जो स्टैटिस्टिक्स से रिलेटेड डाटा जो है वो पब्लिश करता है. सो इफ एनीबडी इज नीड ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिकल डाटा दैट कैन पिक फ्रॉम हियर. Journal and paper. Okay, we have a journal as well as newspaper. Magazines are there. Okay, you can find a lot of magazines, lot of newspaper, lot of journals which are giving the data, that is data on the on health or any topic. Okay, अगर आपको सर्वे करना है किसी भी टॉपिक पे, you can pick it up data and can use it. Publication of research scholars. There are MPhil students, PhD students. Okay, you know very well they are doing a research on a particular topic. Okay, so if they need to get a data or you want to get a data from that particular topic, तो आप वहाँ से उठाकर इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Okay, unpublished sources. Unpublished which is not published by the government organization are collecting for their self use or office record. They are keeping it for their self use, and if you need that data you can write a letter to the government and can get information. So which is not published, जो publish नहीं हुआ है, सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट अपने यूज के लिए उसको रख रही है, that is called unpublished sources. Now precaution in the use of scanty data. Now you are using डाटा विच इज़ सेकेंड हैंड. अब आप कोई चीज़ सेकेंड हैंड लेते हो, अगर आप स्कूटर ले रहे हैं, कार ले रहे हैं, वॉट एवर यू आर टेकिंग सेकेंड हैंड, तो हम देखते हैं ना कि भाई अच्छी हालत में है कि नहीं है. ओके, ओनली देन यू आर टेकिंग दैट. तो सेम एज इट इज़ इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग अ रेडीमेड डाटा, सो यू आर सपोज टू हैव सम प्रिकॉशन. कुछ सावधानियाँ यूज़ करनी पड़ेंगी आपको. ओके, नंबर वन, एबिलिटी ऑफ द कलेक्टिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Now second hand data means that is already collected by somebody. Now you are supposed to check the credibility of that second hand party. आपको उसकी क्रेडिबिलिटी को चेक करना है कि उसकी एबिलिटी भी है कलेक्टिंग डाटा की, क्या वो एबल है, क्या वो एक्सपीरियंस है. ओनली देन यू शुड कलेक्ट द डाटा फ्रॉम दैट पर्सन. Okay, second, objective and scope. Objective is what is the purpose of your study and what is the area. Scope means area of your study. Okay, अब आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव तो कुछ और है और जिसका आपने डाटा पिक किया उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव कुछ और था, तो ऑब्वियसली there would be a misleading result. Same as it is area. If your topic area is very large and the area of investigating already those who have collected and you are using that data, उसका area बहुत कम है, तो भी आपका डाटे में गलती आएगी. ठीक है. Next, method of collection. You are already we have discussed so many methods of collection. So are you really need that method of collection which the which the already collecting organization has used it? तो अगर वही चाहिए then you can use it, otherwise you are supposed to go somewhere else. Okay. Time and condition of collection. Yes, that is very very important. Time and condition of collection. अब suppose आपने डाटा तब कलेक्ट किया जब वॉर पीरियड चल रहा है, ठीक है, जैसे आज का कोरोना पीरियड चल रहा है. ओके, तो इस पीरियड में अगर आप डाटा कलेक्ट करेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली मैनिपुलेट होगा वो डाटा. Okay, so if the data is collecting at this time, that is we should see the time and condition of collection. Okay, accuracy and more thing, if you are using the data, that should be accurate. आपका डाटा accurate होना चाहिए. Okay, so it's very interesting written over here. It is never safe to take published statistics at their face value without knowing their meaning and limitation. कि किसी के face value को देखकर वो डाटा कलेक्ट नहीं करना है जब तक आपको उसकी meaning and limitation you are not aware about it. Okay, next and last topic of this chapter is sources of secondary data. Okay, we have two sources of secondary data. First is Census of India. I hope everybody know who is the Census of India. Okay, Census of India is exactly providing the information on population size, demographic changes in India. Okay, it is published by Registrar General and Census Commissioner. Okay. Okay, so what type of information they are providing? That is, they are providing the information density of population, literacy, sex composition. On Census of India, you can collect the data from here. That we are studying the sources of secondary data. ठीक है, तो secondary data के sources क्या हुए आपके Census of India, जहाँ से आप data collect कर सकते हैं, जहाँ से you can get you can collect the data on literacy, health, population, any. Okay, next is NSSO. NSSO is National Sample Survey Organization. This organization almost occurring a lot of surveys. Okay, these are work under the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. ठीक है, ये time to time जो है these agencies are conducting sample survey and they are collecting information regarding the rural and urban areas, and they are collecting information that I have written the examples over here. They are collecting the information on the sources, household income in India. What are the different sources of income in India? Employment and unemployment statistic, poverty, land holding, so many. So National Sample Survey, if you want to collect the data which is not original, okay, so you are supposed to get it from the Census of India or NSSO. Thank you so much. And students, if you like my video, kindly subscribe my channel and click the right button. Thank you.